It's time to play Sonic. The gang's all here. But we can't forget everyone's favorite Eggman. Looks like Amy Rose needs to scramble some eggs. Careful now, breakfast will be over in a bit. Uh-oh, we broke the screen! Well, time for some hands-on experience. Let's dig into all those little bits and pieces. And don't worry, from the ashes, we can rebuild. It's alive! Alive! Well, artificially, but still! Ooh, the Sonic Gang is having a camp out. Let's just hope there's enough marshmallows to go around.
Run! It's an evil robot!
Sure, robots don't eat, but his doctor buddy looks hungry. He sure has an appetite for world power. Maybe you should put down the stick. Because it looks like it's time for you to go fast.
Go!
It's time to crack some eggs. Yeah, I'll be here all day. Now let's get back to camping. Chili dogs, anyone? Wow, now that's what I call a squishy Sonic. What big eyes! And he's always wanted to be taller. But this might take a few more adjustments. Just trim off a little and hook him up to our machine. See? I always knew there was room for growth with him. Careful now, I think he's getting a big head. But he's still a lot of fun. He's practically our blue bouncing ball. Ooh, this fidget spinner kind of looks familiar. That's it. It looks like Sonic's legs when he's on the go. In fact, we could take advantage of the resemblance. Whether 2D or 3D, Sonic's got a need for speed. But it looks like Eggman wants to get moving too. Easy fix. We just need a paper clip. Just twist it up and hook it to this little box. Now, Dr. Eggman, why don't you take a seat? Want to go for a stroll? It does the walking for you. Amy Rose has got a full tank of gas. And you know she's not afraid to use it. Look, this tricked out car has a few tricks of its own. Though I hope she's got a seatbelt and maybe a helmet. What she needs is a road to rage on. And we'll give her plenty of cars to keep her company. Now hook it up. We want to keep things all in one place.
Vroom, vroom.
Why don't we call one of our old Sprunky friends to help? Keep your eyes out, Oren. Let's make sure Amy is safe. Then again, maybe we need to keep everyone safe from her. Our clay pals are all smiles, literally. Plus, they're all really fun to squish up. Though, be careful, they don't really unsquish. But they do seem to have a bunch of fun treats inside. Wow! A ring! Diamond sold separately. I wonder what other goodies they've got for us. Oh, look! Knuckles has another gem, too!
Ooh.
Ah, jewels. You can never have too many. But let's see what Eggman's got in store for us. Well, there's only one way to find out. A cockroach. But it could be worse. It could always be a distraction. Sonic's got a special surprise for you. It's a great big blue balloon. Ooh, watch your spikes. We can't pop it. It's gonna be our next craft. Cover it up with glue. Remember, make paste, not waste. Sonic, you've got paper stuck to your shoe. Why don't we put it to better use? Like paper mache. It'd be a shame to let all that blue go to waste. The balloon did its job. It can take a break. And this shell could use our favorite hedgehog. Oh, you went to the ice cream stand? Wait, stand. That gives me an idea. Make Sonic his own stand. This will really help him light up the room. There's a reason Sonic's everyone's favorite hedgehog. Looks like our next craft's gonna use cardboard paper. We're making an Amy Rose style camera. It's got her name on it, and her face. Just push her buttons and she'll snap that shot. Of course, catching Sonic's no easy task. You did it! And Dr. Eggman acts like it's hard. Enlarge! Who knew Sonic was so photogenic? In fact, save that photo for later. Of course, we could sure use the rest of him. Sonic might be flatter than normal, but he's still got moves. And Knuckles is never far behind. Sonic's a speedster, even when in bath bomb form. But it's more fun for bath bombs to sit back and soak. Maybe we should have used a bigger bathtub. But we can still have some fun. Oh, the ring from before. Talk about a callback. Sure beats catching fish in a barrel. Ooh, reel it in. You've caught yourself a Sonic. Let's hope he washed behind the spikes. Plus Tails and all our other friends. It's party time. Let's dance. Uh-oh, can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close, and you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more. Just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? Unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food. A popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. A marble. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look! We've got Zootopia blind boxes! Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute! It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hopps. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like.
I used to be young and pretty. Why did I have to grow old? I was so popular. Now I just knit and talk to a cat.
Hi, Grandma.
Oh, hello, dear. Come sit down.
What's wrong? Why are you crying?
Oh, it's silly.
Tell me.
It's a story of romance and heartbreak.
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Just like you, my darling. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Whoa! Who is that?
These flowers smell lovely.
What a cutie!
I'm right here. I can hear you, you know.
I was admiring the flowers, honest.
Aw, Grandma. I'm so sorry.
I can't compete with her. I'll be alone forever. Ah!
Was that the cat?
Look at me. I'm old and wrinkly. I'll never get Alex to pay attention to me.
But that is a problem. Oh, I have an idea. I have a face mask you could try. It might help.
I feel like I'm about to rob a bank. But if I can win Alex back, it's worth it.
Wear it when you're sleeping. Good night, Grandma.
Where's that mirror? I hope this has worked. My skin! There's no more wrinkles! I look young again! No more flabby skin! This is amazing! I can't wait until Alex sees me. I better get ready!
Ah, that's a good cup of coffee.
Oh, there he is! You can do this! Yo-ho! Ahem. Over here!
Mandy? You look gorgeous.
Stop it! Oh, who's that young man?
Well, hello. Hey, she's my girlfriend!
This is awesome!
No videos before bed.
It's not fair! Mom will never find me in here.
It's the same every night.
Aw, Mom!
Hand it over.
I thought it would work.
What's he doing now? That's it! I've had enough of this, Alex!
Ugh! Can't we talk about this?
Nope. I want them all. And the rest?
Mom! Here.
All of them.
Really?
Okay. I need to get my own place. Mom always ruins my fun. Huh? What are you doing?
Can't forget this one.
How many do you have?
I like technology.
Now get to bed.
That's what she thinks. I'm always one step ahead. Ooh, I have an idea. I'll stick it to the back of this.
Uh-oh. Mom's coming back. Just act natural.
She suspects nothing.
What's going on in here? Oh, look at that. Sorry to disturb you.
I love this channel. It's always got great ideas. Ah, time to pee-pee. I've been holding it in. Ah, that's better. Whee! This is fun. I like the splashes. Oops. Missed that time. Whoa! I hit the ceiling! Pew! Pew! No hands! I shouldn't have had that second soda. I'll help Mom and water the plants. Drink up, little guy. Oh, right on target. This is great. All done. Ah, I better flush. Can't forget to wash my hands. Never mind.
Alex! What are you doing? Wash your hands.
All clean.
Good boy. Oh no! What happened in here? Please tell me that's water. Alex? Was this you?
Yeah, I needed the toilet.
Oh, I've only got myself to blame. Maybe I can fix this. Ooh, it's time for a little shopping. That's what I need. Wow, that's good service.
Whoa! What is that?
It's your very own toilet.
Ooh, right! Cool! Here goes!
Oh, I'll give you a minute.
Wow! I'm finished, Mommy!
Good boy! You did great!
Doo-doo-da. Oh, hello. I feel so alive.